Welcome back to my video, and today I am doing a try not to laugh. Yeah, well, not try not to laugh, but reacting to videos.
You already messed it up.
That people made. So it's gonna be in my hospital, but there we go. Sorry about the ad. I hate the ad.
I'm not bringing his new car.
I hate the ads. I'm so sorry about them. Alright.
This is not good. I think this is the end. I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead. My name is Andrew Dingus. Oh, shit.
So pretty. I could never be like you. What?
For real, bro, be me. I hate when a monster does that. It's in the way.
Buddy. Wrong motion. Yes, we do.
This is not good. I think this is the end. Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead. My name is Andrew Dingus. Oh, shit.
That's what we're gonna get.
This is so funny, bro.
It's so far, baby.
You're in the pool swimming. You're relaxed.
You smell like girls.
What was that?
What?
Secret agent, bro. I swear. For real.
Can I get a cheeseburger, a 4-piece, and... Okay, pull up, home.
We're about to spill all those
I didn't get
boxes.
to finish.
I knew it.
Your life are in danger. Look to your left. That's your right. Look left. My God.
Hey, yo, not like that though.
Bro, what the heck?
Rip thing.
You're in the pool swimming. You're relaxed. What the fuck was that?
Bro.
Pool swimming. You're relaxed. What the fuck was that?
Okay, bro. All of these are just like relatable.
This is not good. I think this is the end. Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead. My name is Andrew Dingus. Oh, shitting. He's coming back.
Well, that's the end of today's video. I'll be acting to some shorts though. Bye bye.